Let's assume that you come across a question like this in your examination. The sum of an arithmetic progression is 561, right? If the first and last terms are 2 and 100 respectively, find the number of terms in the sequence, or find the number of terms. All right. So, what is the first thing you need to do? Of course, you must know the topic that this question is from, and that topic is called sequence and series. And for the O level, we have to teach you two of these sequence and series. They are the arithmetic progression, that is called AP, and we have the geometric progression that we call the what? GP. So this one is called AP and this one is called GP. So arithmetic progression is a progression in which each consecutive terms either increases or decreases by a constant term. Do you understand it now? So, for example, if I give something like this 2, 5, 8, 11. Look at this 2, 5, 8, 11. Each of these terms here, you see that they increase by a constant term, which is what? Plus 3, and so on and so forth. So this constant term here is called common difference. It's called what? Common difference. So now, the number starting the sequence is usually called the first term. It's usually called the what? First term. And the symbol for first term is letter A. Pay attention. Alright, to get your common difference means second term minus first term, and that is 5 minus 2, and that is also what? 3. Now you look at this sequence, it stop here. It means this is the what? The last term. So we use L to represent what? The last term. Alright, so that is the same thing we are going to apply to solve this question on the board. Now let's go back to the question. Now, the sum of an arithmetic progression. Now, take note. They have already added all the terms in the numbers. They have added the first one, the second one, third one, up to the last number. So they have summed everything together, and the term and the answer is what? 561. Now, if the first term, no, I said A means what? First term. So the first term and the last term is what? 2 and 10. This one is 2. This one is 100 respectively. So we have to find how many terms are in that sequence. Of course, let me just show you. To find the sum of any number of terms in an arithmetic progression, use the formula n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula for calculating sum of nth term of any AP. But guess what? This is when the last term is not given. But if last term is given, as in this question, if last term is what? Given, you use sum of AP is equals to n over 2 into a plus last term. So take note of this formula 1 and formula 2. When the last term is not given, use this one. If the last term is given, use this one. And that's what I'm going to use to solve this question. So without wasting time, let's solve. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to use sum of nth term is n divided by 2 into a plus last term. So sum of the whole number is already what? 561. So you write that one as 561. That's it. How many number of terms? That is n. So we don't know n. So it is n we are looking for. A is 2 plus and L is what? 100. So solving, you have 561 equals n divided by 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 100. That is 102. Can you see? Okay. So 561 equals 2 here 1. 2 here is what? 51. That is 51. Then multiply by what? N. I'll divide both sides by 51 by 51. So let's see. 51 cancel 51. So n is equals to. So if you have 561 divided by 51, that's 11. So there are 11 terms in this sequence. So let's check option. So option B is correct. Alright, my name is Tutokoko, and if you are watching me for the first time, please I would like you to follow my page and subscribe to my page, and click the notification button so that each time I drop video, you can be able to have access to it. Thank you. Bye.